Hi, it's Doctorjock here with Scuttle, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Little Mermaid Steelbook. So there's the front, and the back, and the spine, and I'll be back once I've got the cellophane off. So this is embossed, and that's what it is on the back. Yep. Plain disc, nothing special. And on the back of that is the Disney Movie Rewards code, which is at the bottom there. And that's the inside artwork. Yeah, so that was my unboxing of the Little Mermaid Diamond Edition Steelbook. Thanks for watching. Bye.